So we have the Lowrance HDS 7 powered up, and we are going to enter GPS coordinates. So in this example, we're going to act like, hey, one of our buddies just broke down. I've got to go back to get tooling to help get a sandrail repaired, and I've got to be able to find my way back to this spot. So very easy. We select new waypoint, and we name our waypoint. And in this example, we're just going to say we're broke down. Enter. Save. Now you see broke down. Now I can head back to camp, get the tools required to fix the sandrail, and bring them back to that location and save the day. All right, well now I have to get back to camp. So how can I make it back to camp? Well, let's say my camp is over here. All right, well let's select a new waypoint, and in this example we're going to say that is our camp. Save. All right, so now there's my camp. Well, when I come back over here, here's where I'm broke down, and that's where I'm physically at. Here's my camp. So I select camp and go to cursor. That draws a straight line, and all I have to do is follow that line in a roundabout way, and that will take me directly to my camp. In this case, these are examples. I really don't want them there. So how do we delete them again? Click waypoint, edit, delete, delete. It's gone. Come back here. I'm not really broke down. Edit, delete. We're gone. Clear cursor. Now you can see I still have the red line for my navigation. I want to get rid of that because I'm not really going there. I click navigation, cancel, and the red line goes away. Now when you go to Glamis, you want to go check out the hot spots, and in order to do that you need to know where those hot spots are. One of the big hot spots is Oldsmobile Hill. So we'll click new waypoint and type it in as Olds Hill. Click on here, and I need to type in the waypoint, which is going to be 32, 57, 77, 0. And then that would be our north coordinates, and then we're 11505 96. Okay, save. And now that I've plugged that in, you can see that I've got a couple extra ones. So now there's Olds Hill that I just plugged in. I also have Oldsmobile Hill top, Olds Hill bottom. So if I zoom in on these, these just happen to be where I was parked when I plugged this in. So when you plug these coordinates in, it just depends on where an individual was parked and their GPS when they plugged them in. So if you go to any one of these, it's going to navigate you right to Olds Hill. Now we want to go to the flagpole. I'll click new waypoint. In this case, we're going to go to the flagpole. So flag pole box 1. Enter. The GPS for the flagpole is 3255 400. 3255 400. And west for the flagpole, we want 11504. 840. And there's flagpole box 1. After that, we might want to travel to the swing set. So let's do, I'll just click off of the flagpole and then click new, and new waypoint. This time we want to go to the swing set. And our coordinates to the swing set are going to be 32, 54, 32, 4, and 115, 04, 302. Okay, save, and there's our swing set. Now, after you're done being at the swing set, you may say, you know what, we got to go to the Glamis Beach store and get some supplies. So click off the cursor, new waypoint. That's going to be 3290, 3259.76, 3259.760, and 115.04.37. Okay, save. And now we're at the Glamis Beach store. And from the Glamis Beach store, you may be camped at pad 2. So let's go new waypoint and click in pad 2. And the coordinates for pad 2 are 3257.24 and 115.09.68. And there's pad 2. However, you've really got to go to the restroom, so we're going to do another new waypoint. And the Roadrunner restrooms are going to be located at 3254.68, 115.07.01. Now that we've got that all entered, if I were to zoom out, you can see all the waypoints we've just entered, and I have some others. And if I click on each one, there's the swing set, there's the flagpole, there's Granite Mountain Memorial, and if you want to know the waypoint to this one, we can just click on it, click edit, and there is the granite information for Granite Mountain Memorial. Now, another cool thing about the HDS 7 is when you're navigating to go to a waypoint. So you can see all my waypoints are locked in here. So if I want to navigate and make it easy, not just follow an aerial path, I can click my menu button here and I can come down to navigation and I can select go to waypoint. And in this case, I've got to get to Chris because he's broken. And now you see it drew the line for me, and it shows me the red arrow right here of which way to steer. And because I'm not moving right now, the GPS satellites are kind of floating around, but now it's telling me to steer that way and go on that path. But it will tell me which direction to steer and maintain the path to get to that waypoint. If I don't want to do this, I hit cancel. It takes everything away and it clears it. If I want to get back to my aerial view, hit the menu key up here, go back to chart. And then there we are. Okay, let's load up a few more GPS coordinates a quick way by utilizing the flag. So in this case, next coordinate I'm going to show you is the wall. Coordinates to the wall is 32, 53, 806. 115, 01, 5300. Next coordinate, quick and easy. We're going to do China wall. Coordinates to China wall are 32, 54, 048. 115, 02019. Next, we'll do Lizard Hill. Coordinates 32, 55, 057. Getting too fast here. 32, 55, 057. 115, 04, 004. Okay. Another really good one that people want to go to. Okay, so Osborne Overlook 3259010, 11507 960. We have a couple other hills of interest. The infamous Banshee Point, which is 325764. And 1150634. Another hill called Honda Point. 325665. 0539. And another great one. Thirty-two 5866. 0765. Now another thing that happens with these GPSs is when you're running at night, this thing is bright and glares at you. So if you want to put this in night mode, the easiest thing to do is click the power button one quick time. Here, night mode, great. You know what? It's too bright, it's blinding me. In the dark I can see this, but in the light I can't. Now what do? I can't get this back up. Just click the power button real quick, it comes back up. Shut night mode off, hit your brightness, and when you turn night mode off, it immediately goes back to bright. So this is a hard concept to remember because we freak out because we can't see the screen. So one more time, power button quick push. I want to go night mode. If it's too bright, I turn it down. The problem is the next day, I forget after I shut the car off at night, I go back in the next morning, I turn the unit on, and it looks like this. And I'm like, why can't I see the screen? Quick press of the power button, and adjust your brightness back up, night mode off, you're good to go. If this tutorial was helpful and you want to see more about the HDS 7 because it is quite the machine, let me know in the comments below.